अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। So now, after seeing Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. So if Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Shiva, what about Shiva? Shiva is Brahma also then, is it? Shiva is Vishnu also. And Shiva is Shiva also. And Shiva is Guru also. Same way. What about Bhagavan Vishnu? Bhagavan Vishnu is Brahma also. Bhagavan Vishnu is Shiva also. Bhagavan Vishnu is Guru also. You see this? How is happening? I have already explained. Simply put, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A is equal to C. We explained all those things, so I am not going further. But you should keep this also in mind. That's how in the Puranas also you will find. Bhagavan Vishnu is glorified also as Shiva. And Bhagavan Shiva is glorified as Vishnu also. Okay. Now we come to the next verse. Together. Stavaram jangamam vyaptam sacharacharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha. Tasmai shri gurave namaha. Tasmai shri gurave namaha. Salutations to that worshipful Guru, Shri Gurave Namaha. Who is this Guru? Tatpadam darshitam yena. Tatpadam darshitam yena, who helped me realize that reality. Tatpadam, padam, that reality, that state. That absolute state, that absolute reality. And the word Padam does not say just reality. The word Padam also means that which you can attain. Because Pada is Padyate, that which is attained, that which is gained, that which is gained as our own self. So, one who helped me gain that reality, realize that reality. And what is that reality? Stavaram jangamam vyaptam yatkinchit sacharacharam. What is that reality? The yat is there, right? Yat. Stavaram jangamam yat vyaptam. What is that reality? Reality is that which yat, pervades, vyaptam, pervades what? Stavaram, jangamam. Stavaram is that which is stationary. Jangamam is that which is not stationary, which is moving. So, stationary and moving are here expressions, idiomatic expressions for the inert and the sentient. So, when you say stavaram, it is a phrase, an expression, which means that which is inert. Jangamam refers to that which is sentient. So, what is that reality? That which pervades both the inert and the sentient. Alright? Every inert, every sentient? Now, look at the word yat. That yat joins with yat vyaptam, that yat also joins with kinchit. And where it joins with kinchit, it means yat kinchit sachara-achara. The same stavaram jangamam is presented as chara and achara. Jangama is chara and stavara is achara. Can you see that? So stavaram jangamam yad vyaptam, that which pervades both the inert and the sentient. Now when you say that which pervades both the inert and sentient, to give a little more clarity, yat kinchit sachara-achara. However small it be, that inert, be the smallest minuscule of particle, a sand particle, small, or a dust particle, very small, or even the smallest of all particles, not even measuring a micron, like I said. Very, 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 very small. Such a small, inert, insignificant. Also, yakkinchit chara. Chara means what? Even the smallest, insignificant living creature. In other words, that which is pervasive, completely, totally, and in every way, leaving no gap or interstices. That which is pervasive in time, that which is pervasive in space, that which is pervasive in object. Absolutely pervasive. There are some things which are pervasive in space, but not pervasive in time. Long back I had asked Gurudev this question. I asked Gurudev, you say Brahman alone is all pervasive. You are saying like that. When I was very young, okay, my school days, I had gone for Vivek Shaman camp at Siddhabad. The Brahman alone is all pervasive. But space is also all pervasive. So how can you say Brahman alone is all pervasive? This I had asked the form of a letter. Then Gurudev replied, I think somewhere from Middle East he had replied. Your letter, first of all you scolded me in that letter. That you sent a letter which had to go from this place to that place. Some place and all he had said. This. And it went to various places and finally reached me. That is to say, you should find which address I am and then send there correctly. I asked this question. Brahman is all pervasive, space is also all pervasive. So there is no way you can say Brahman alone is all pervasive. So Gurudev asked this question to me. What about sleep? In sleep, do you see space, experience space? Meaning, space is not all pervasive. The space where to be all pervasive, you should have experienced the all pervasiveness of space even in sleep. In other words, space is not all pervasive in all periods of time. In sleep it's not there. You don't experience space. The mind is transcended. You don't experience time as well as space. So time also is not there always. Can you see this? Space is not there at every time. Time is also not there always. So you can never say time is always there. You can never say space is everywhere. Yakinchit sacharacharam. He showed me that unique reality. We have studied that which is all pervasive in space, that which is all pervasive in time, that which is all pervasive with respect to every object. Right? That which is all pervasive in terms of space, sarvagata or sarvavyapi. That which is all pervasive in terms of time, nitya. That which is all pervasive in terms of object. What did we say? Sarva vastu. One more term I will give you, which is sarvantaryami. Sarvantaryami is what? That which is inside all objects. So, that kind of pervasiveness, meaning that which is absolutely pervasive, padam darshitam yena, one who made me realize that. That Guru, I offer my salutations. Stavaram jangamam vyaptam yatkinchit sacharacharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai shri gurave namah. What is that which is all pervasive in both the inert and the sentient? Then it must be half inert and half sentient. Correct? Because that which pervades the inert has to be inert. Otherwise, why is it inert? That which pervades the inert has to be inert, no? Otherwise, how can it be inert? That which pervades salt is salty, that is why salt is salty. That which pervades sugar is sweet, that is why sugar is sweet. That which pervades the inert has to be inert. And that which pervades the sentient has to be sentience. So let us say that reality is half inert, half sentient. Wow, discovery you made. So next word says, no. How is it reality? That is Chinmaya. Chinmayam is what? Chinmayam is that which is completely consciousness. The word, that expression Chinmaya is chit, and then you have this suffix mayat. The suffix mayat is to say that which is in toto, complete, full, unbroken consciousness. And our Guru's name is also Chinmaya. So, we'll take up this verse tomorrow. Okay? स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ हर हर नमः पार्वतीपतये हर महादेव सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।